Zoho Recruit is a powerful applicant tracking system designed to streamline the hiring process. Here's how to use Zoho Recruit effectively. Set up your account. Sign up for Zoho Recruit and complete the initial setup by configuring your organization's details, job openings, and user permissions. Create job openings. Start by creating job openings in Zoho Recruit. Define job titles, descriptions, responsibilities, and required qualifications. Post jobs. Publish job openings to multiple job boards, career pages, and social media platforms directly from Zoho Recruit. Manage applications from various sources in one place. Track candidates. Track candidates through the recruitment pipeline. Capture and store candidate resumes, cover letters, and other documents. Schedule interviews and communicate with candidates through the platform. Collaborate with hiring team. Collaborate with team members and hiring managers by assigning tasks, sharing feedback, and evaluating candidates collectively. Automate workflows. Automate repetitive tasks such as email responses, interview scheduling, and candidate status updates using workflows and email templates. Generate reports and analytics. Utilize Zoho Recruit's reporting tools to analyze recruitment metrics, track time to hire, candidate sources, and recruitment funnel effectiveness. Integrate with other tools. Integrate Zoho Recruit with other Zoho applications and third-party platforms to synchronize data and streamline recruitment processes.